The inauguration of the 8th Assembly followed a proclamation later transmitted by the Delta State Governor Sheriff Oborevwori to the House, which was read by the acting clerk of the House, Autos Agogovia. The acting clerk thereafter presided over the elections and administration of oath of office on the Speaker Emomotimi Guwor and his deputy Arthur Akpowonwon of the 8th Assembly.
I, Guwor, Emomotimi,
do solemnly swear
that
I will be faithful
I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
to
to the Federal Republic of
the
Nigeria,
Federal Republic of Nigeria,
and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended.
The Speaker, Emomotimi, in his acceptance speech, said the task ahead were enormous and promised to pilot the affairs of the House with every sense of responsibility and earnestly pleaded for unflinching support from members and all other stakeholders. The Speaker thereafter administered oath of office on other elected principal officers of the House.
The 8th Assembly will act with dignity, honor, and a sense of purpose. The House, under my leadership, will work for the people of Delta State that gave us their mandate to represent them in this hallowed chamber. We will cooperate and work harmoniously with the executive arm of government to deliver good governance in the state and democratic dividends for our constituents.
Meanwhile, some respondents who witnessed the inauguration speak on expectations from the 8th Assembly.
I expect nothing less other than meaningful passage of bills, motions, and bills that will affect the lives of the common man in Delta State.
Expectations is that we expect robust legislature. We expect
this week, next
very informative synergy with the executive. We expect the people, respect legislators that will speak on behalf of the elected.
Out of the 29 lawmakers, 2 are female, 7 are from the opposition party. From Asaba, Austin Azu, ITV News.